everybody, it's Will. Welcome back to my channel, it's Rachel. So today is Thursday. I think it's the 19th. I think it's the 19th. Anyway, I want to do a coronavirus update tomorrow. So I'll do a video on that for you guys. A lot of crazy developments in the last day even. So I thought I would talk about that tomorrow, but it's been a pretty intense day at work. And so I'm going to do something that is totally unrelated to work in my happy space. We're going to do an unboxing. Oof! We're going to do a boxycharm Luxe plus boxyluxe. That's what that is. Boxyluxe unboxing. And then I have a couple more unboxes. We'll do like a quasi mini mega unboxing. And then I have the next 3 days off. So I am going to also try to get my FabFitFun edit sale review for you guys that I know you guys look forward to. It's hard for me to get as excited right now. There's so much going on in work and everything. So I apologize if I seem a little off or things are weird. So yeah, anyway, getting in a good happy spot today. We are going to do boxyluxe today. I thought it'd be a good one to go over. Just if you guys haven't had a chance, I'll try to remember to post it up here. I did announce the winners for my 1000K giveaway. I have already heard back from one. I'm just waiting for the other one to get back with me. If you're watching this, it's Lady in Red is the one I haven't heard back from. You do have 7 days from when I emailed you, which I got around to emailing you today. So please, please, please get back with me. All right, I will try to get those shipped out soon too. I'm hoping with all this coronavirus craziness that it won't derail that too far, but I'm going to try to get it out next week. All right, guys, so boxyluxe is a quarterly subscription that basically takes your base boxyluxe and upgrades it to this, which is a $50 version. So your normal box is $25, and then they charge you the additional amount for this. Usually I like boxyluxe. I will tell you, I peeked into this one. Not my most favorite. I'm going to spoiler alert it. But I did look at it the other day, and I just thought, you know, instead of doing this in the mega unboxing, I would kind of go over it and kind of what I thought about it. So first and foremost, they do have a card here. It is the boxycharm Pretty Edgy with this kind of concrete theme. And this is what it looks like here. So boxyluxe has a little bit more like lifestyle than just beauty and skincare. Some people love that. Some people hate that. I kind of like the variety in it. But well, let me just get into it and I'll go from there. So you were able to pick one item. I'll let you guys know which one that is. But the very first thing I see when I put on the front is this, okay? So it's a blush, obviously. It says blush in the color Peach Pink and by the company Elizabeth Mott. I've heard of this company. I have never personally tried anything from them. So this is the Show Me Your Cheeks, and it's $23. Okay, that's really expensive. This is what it looks like. I think that's really pricey just based on how the packaging and everything looks. Maybe it's the most amazing blush in the world. It's a very pretty color. It does have a shimmer to it. I'm just going to swatch a little bit to show you guys. So that's the color. Like, it's a color I'll use, but $23 seems very expensive. So let's see if they say a little bit anything about this. It says it's super creamy, sexy powder blush for you. It doesn't feel super creamy to me. It just feels like a normal blush. Long-lasting formula, blendable, bold, not overpowering, healthy flush look. Now, I do like things that give me a healthy flush look. I do think this will be a nice blush, and I will use it. But that's the first item. It does say here that it is cruelty-free. So there is the first item. Now, the second item is one I believe that we knew we were going to get, and this is the boxycharm Hello Charmers palette. This is their first palette that they made, okay? And it's cute because it has like all their hashtags on here. And then this is the thing. It's actually really pretty in person. I don't think the cameras have done it its justice. If you can see that color here, full size, is this really pretty purple color. It looks more blue on my screen here. And this color Swipe Up is also really pretty. It's like this, it's just a pressed glitter. It's really pretty, but obviously it's a pressed glitter that doesn't translate that well onto, you know, my finger. So very pretty colors. And I'll have to play with it. Like, I can definitely see a lot of usable looks from this. Not the most exciting palette in the world. And some colors that I probably won't dip as much into, like this orangey red color I'm not really loving. And it's a lot of golds. Like, if you hate golds, this is not your palette. But I actually am okay with this palette. This is supposed to be $39. So there is that. And then they did put this paper stuff, which I like because I can put this in the recycle bin. So yay for that. And then the next thing is the thing that I picked. And this is the Tarteist Pro Remix. Now, I don't have this. This I've seen go on sale from time to time. It's gotten good reviews. I've just kind of been about it. But it was one of the options, so I thought it would be good to get. I've heard good things about it. And so, oh, I love how Tarte's stuff smells. It smells like cookies. Like, that's the best thing I can say. Now, there are not very many mattes in this. There is, this color's a matte, this color's a matte, and then this black, and that's about it. It's mostly a shimmer palette. So this would be a palette I'd probably have to reach into other things to make complete. But it is pretty. It has a lot of blues and greens in it, mostly blue tones, which are not the things I reach for. So that's why I'm a little bit less excited. But it is very, very pretty. So I am excited about that. I think Tarte makes really nice solid palettes generally. And so I think it'll be there. It's $49 and it's a 20 shade Superstar palette. Yeah, so that's about it on here. There's that one. Okay. If everyone cares, it says made in the US. And then Tarte is vegan, or not vegan, cruelty free. All right. Next item here. This one's just kind of weird. So it's supposed to be full-size products. And then they have these little duo of the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream and the Coco Cabana. Now, I had previously gotten a Coco Cabana. This smells like butter popcorn. This is supposed to be, I think, the reformulated version. It still smells kind of like buttered popcorn. And then this, which smells like pecan. So this one to me smells like butter popcorn. It's supposed to smell like coconut. It does not smell like coconut. And this one smells like a good praline or like pecan. It smells so good. So this is the cream duo. It's $15. And yeah, so this one, they say it's supposed to smell like salted caramel. I could see that with pistachios. And then, like I said, this one is supposed to be coconut. It's not coconut, but I will use these. I just think it's kind of weird that they gave small sizes. It is what it is. All right, next item is one that I've used before, and I will probably pass this on just because it doesn't work well with my skin type, but the smell is absolutely fantastic. This is the Spongelli Freesia Pear Infused Body Wash Sheer Buffer. I think this one, if I remember correctly, because this is the one I tried, has a little string. Oh no, this one doesn't. The one I tried that was Freesia Pear before actually had a string so you could hang it up in your shower, which was handy. This one does not. It smells absolutely wonderful. The problem I had with this, and this is for me, is if you have dry skin, this absolutely dries your skin out. It says it's supposed to hydrate. It does not hydrate me. I know people that love this, but it's definitely not meant for people with dry skin. The other thing is although this smells absolutely wonderful, it does not translate the smell to your skin. So for me, these are not a big thing that I love. So I'll pass that on. And then this is $16. I'm sorry, I suddenly have a cough there. Next item here is the NARS Lip Pigment and the You're Not Good. So that's what it looks like. And let me open it up and show you guys. Oh, sorry, cough, cough, cough. Okay, this is one I'm probably going to pass on, which is a shame. I have every NARS lip pigment I've gotten so far has been a red color, which I've told them explicitly in my profile that I do not like dark reds. So yeah, I will pass this on because this is something I probably won't use, which is a shame. This is $25. So I suspect, sorry guys, I expect that some, there were other colors, unfortunately, did not get what I wanted. All right, next thing I am actually really excited about. This is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Now I have the Mini Fofo, which is pretty good. It's okay. But I'm more excited to try this one out. I don't know why I need 2 facial cleansing one, but this one has good reviews. It has a little cleanser part here, and then you go like this, and then you put batteries in it. This one, I believe, has had really good reviews. It has a little basin to put it in, and then it does come with a battery outside of there. So I'm really curious how this works in comparison to the Fofo, but I am excited to try that. And so that's actually a really nice item to get. And then it looks like this is $99. So actually this is quite a hero item. When I think about the price on that, it makes me a little less disappointed in this box. I was a little disappointed, I'll be honest, when I first opened this. And then the final item is this, which is the Appeal Gel Liner in the color, what color is this? It's a brown color. I don't hate the color. I'll probably keep and use it. It's like a brownish color or a caramel color, which is a color I would actually use. I will use it. I just don't love Appeal Cosmetic stuff. Like, it's okay. This is not the prettiest color. It's like kind of a weird color. But I'll use it. It's creamy. I just feel like this is kind of a filler item, which they don't usually throw into these boxes, but apparently they do on this one. So this is $21. Okay, so the price is definitely there. This alone makes it worth it. But for me, this wasn't the best box. Like, I really liked the facial cleanser. The eyeliner didn't love. The sponge gel is not really that useful to me. These are a bit small, so this is not a good color for me. I mean, I do like this, and this is okay. And the blush is pretty, but kind of eh. So, like, yes, it was a lot of makeup products for a boxyluxe, but it just kind of felt a little lackluster. Like, I don't know. Like, I didn't hate it, but I didn't love it. Like, this was just kind of a disappointing box for me for boxyluxe. And so, like, half of the box was not really usable for me, and that's not quite usual for me for this box. So that was a little disappointing, but that's okay. It is what it is. Not every month I'm going to love. Not every time I get this box I'm going to love. This was okay. I got my money's worth. I didn't love it. There's going to be a lot of stuff that I give away. It is what it is. So anyway, guys, that is it. I will hopefully have an update video for you guys tomorrow. Like I said, I will try to no later than Saturday have the video on the FabFitFun sale, because it comes to an end, I think, beginning of next week for the select members. And then I have some other videos I've taped up I need to edit for some other things. So there will be some more videos at a different variety. Again, it's going to be touch and go on my schedule. I am going to try to keep to my Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, but it may be off and different, and I'll update you guys as I go along. For everyone that's given me well wishes and wonderful thoughts from my family, I truly and do appreciate it. For everyone that's left me comments, I really appreciate it. I try to comment back on everyone's comment. It's been very hard for me the last week or two just with everything going on. But when I do get a solid time, I'll try to go back and answer a bunch of questions. I went through and answered about half of the questions on that one video where I talked about coronavirus. I know some other people have questions. I'm going to try to go back and make that video my priority to answer the questions that people have. And if you guys would be interested, I'm thinking maybe this might be better for the coronavirus updates to do more as a live chat, so people can just kind of ask me questions in real time. I may do that. I haven't quite decided. It's like I said, it's kind of fluid how I'm going to handle this. But anyway, guys, thanks again for watching. I hope everyone's not bored. I hope everyone's in good health, and I will see you hopefully tomorrow. All right, bye guys.